Good evening, students. We are on chapter number 10. Marketing management. Once again, product we have done. Right now we are on promotion, and in promotion, now first topic in promotion is advertisement. Salesman means personal selling we have done. Characteristics of good salesman. Then sales promotion and sales promotion technique we have done. Two topics completed under promotion. Under promotion. Now, third topic, that is advertisement. Now, first of all, what is advertisement? Definition is given on page number 123. Advertisement is, in short I am writing, advertisement is paid form of non-personal information of goods and services in which advertiser's identity is easily traced. Advertisement is a paid form. For advertisement, company has to incur lots of expenditure. That's why it is called paid form. If they are giving advertisement in newspaper, then also they need to make payment. If they are giving advertisement on TV, then also they need to make payment. Non-personal information. Non-personal means they are giving information about the product or services, not personal information. They are providing information about the product which they are producing of goods and services, in which advertiser means the company's identity we are able to know, means this is the product which is produced by this and this company, so we are able to know about the company, about the product which they are producing. So advertisement is paid form of non-personal information of goods and services in which advertiser's identity is traced. Second important point about advertisement, that is given, those products which have low demand in the market can be promoted with the help of advertisement. So any product having low demand can be promoted with advertisement. And advertisement can be done through TV, radio, dailies. Dailies means daily magazines, internet, newspaper, etc. Now, what are the functions of advertisement? Functions, role of advertisement. In this topic, first point is creates demand, no doubt. Creates demand. Whenever any new product is launched in the market, whenever any company is producing product and they want to launch that product into the market, or they want that this product this product becomes familiar with the customers are able to know about the product. For this purpose, they are showing that product or making familiar that product through advertisement. Means through advertisement they are informing about the usefulness, about the utility of the product, and once it leaves a good impression in the mind of consumers, then consumers are attracted or convinced or motivated or encouraged to purchase those products. As a result, it increases the demand. Now, according to textbook, through advertisement, one can give information regarding the availability of the product in the market. Through advertisement, consumers are able to know about the product or new product that it is now available in the market, which leads to rise in demand for the product. And when consumers come to know about the new product which is available in the market, they are interested in purchasing such product, and as a result it increases the demand. The consumers are informed about the different uses of the product. Whatever product is introduced by the company in the market, they are informing the potential consumers about the importance, about the utility, about the advantages of the product through advertisement. And once consumers get information about the product, they are interested, they are motivated, they are encouraged to purchase that product, which increases its demand. The first point, creates demand. Second point is benefit of large scale production. Benefit of large scale production. Now, with the help of advertisement, one can reach to the potential consumer. Once again, what is the potential consumer means? Potential consumer means they are not using our product, but by convincing them, by motivating them, we can convert those potential consumer into actual customer. So, through advertisement, one can reach to the potential consumer very easily. As a result, business unit gets more return than advertisement cost. This leads to higher demand of product. Again, almost same explanation. Benefit of large scale production. This leads to large scale production. मतलब advertisement के through, for example, TV लगभग सभी के घरों में है, रेडियो लगभग सभी के घरों में है. उस टीवी या रेडियो के थ्रू हम अपने प्रोडक्ट का ऐड कर सकते हैं. हमें मालूम है सभी लोग हमारे प्रोडक्ट के कंज्यूमर्स नहीं हैं, बट थ्रू एडवर्टाइजमेंट वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रोवाइड देम इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन about the advantages, about the benefit, about the utility, about the importance of the product. Again and again, when individuals are watching those advertisements, then what happens? Whether they are purchasing or not, but they are familiar with the utility, with the importance of that product, and later on such potential consumers are converted into actual customer. बार बार हम जब ऐड देखते हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, उस ऐड से उस प्रोडक्ट की इम्पोर्टेंस, उसकी एडवांटेजेस हमें मालूम पड़ती है और आगे चलकर हम उसे परचेस करते हैं। जब हम उसे परचेस करते हैं, इट मीन्स थ्रू एडवर्टीजमेंट कंपनी is successful in converting potential consumers into actual customers and their number of consumers increases. When number of consumers increases, they starts producing those products in more quantity. Means advertisement helps in increasing the production of that particular product. Third point is product awareness. Product awareness. There are various products in the market for which many companies are not advertising. That's why majority of populations are still unfamiliar with such type of products. मार्केट में ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स अभी भी हैं जिनका टीवी पे किसी प्रकार का कोई ऐड नहीं आता है, और ऐड नहीं आने के कारण कस्टमर्स को या कंज्यूमर्स को, वी कैन से पोटेंशियल कंज्यूमर्स, उनको उन प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानकारी नहीं है। लेकिन अगर प्रोडक्ट्स की जानकारी दी जाए कंज्यूमर्स को थ्रू एडवर्टीजमेंट, तो मीन्स प्रोडक्ट दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोडक्ट अवेयरनेस, मतलब दे आर फेमिलियर, दे आर एबल टू नो अबाउट यूटिलिटी, अबाउट इट इम्पोर्टेंस, कि हाँ इस प्रोडक्ट का हमारे लाइफ में इम्पोर्टेंस है, अगर हम इसे यह परचेस करना हमारे लिए एसेंशियल है, then it will increase the sale of the product of that particular company according to textbook. Through advertisement, information about product and its advantages is given to the potential users. Potential users again those who are not customer of that product. उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड की जाती है, उनको प्रोडक्ट की बेनिफिट, प्रोडक्ट के एडवांटेजेस बताए जाते हैं थ्रू एडवर्टीजमेंट। फॉर एग्जांपल बॉर्नविटा का आता है ऐड कि इम्यूनिटी पावर बढ़ाती है, प्रोटीन एक्स का आता है, सोप का आता है, परफ्यूम का आता है कि उसकी इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है, उसमें गैस है नहीं है, ये सब चीज़ें वो बताते हैं। तो च्यवनप्राश का आता है कि इससे इम्यूनिटी पावर बढ़ती है, इस टाइम में लेने से कोरोना से लड़ने के लिए हमारे पास इम्यूनिटी पावर बढ़ जाती है। इन दिस वे दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टू द कंज्यूमर्स। समटाइम्स consumers do not know how to use new product which can be done through advertisement। बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट ऐसे हैं जिसके बारे में कंज्यूमर्स को कोई जानकारी नहीं है, इसको यूज़ कैसे करना है, बट दे आर एबल टू नो सच थिंग्स ओनली थ्रू एडवर्टीजमेंट। जब ऐड आता है उसमें हम दिखाते हैं, इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ मीन्स इन ऐड वी आर गिविंग अ काइंड ऑफ demonstration we are giving how to use the product, how it is important in your life, mean in the life of customers. Then it increases awareness about the product, about the usefulness of product in the mind of potential consumers, and then later on they will purchase such product. Means advertisement increases the sale. Fourth one is helpful in employment generation. No doubt, once again easy to point. Helpful in जनरेशन। जब ऐड आता है टीवी में तो बहुत सारे एक्टर्स को या किसी भी इंडिविजुअल्स को हम हायर करते हैं फॉर एक्टिंग, उनको एक्टिंग के लिए हम लेते हैं। उस ऐड के लिए स्क्रिप्ट लिखी जाती है, जो स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं उनको जॉब मिलता है, उनको काम मिलता है, दे गेट वर्क। उसके पीछे कैमरामैन, टेक्नीशियंस, राइटर्स, एक्टर्स, एवरीबडी इज गेटिंग वर्क। दैट्स वाई advertisement creates employment opportunities, it generates employment opportunities. Hardly two-line explanation is there. Due to advertisement, one more point, due to advertisement demand for a product or services increases. ऐड की वजह से उस वस्तु की डिमांड मार्केट में बढ़ जाती है। अगर मार्केट में उसकी डिमांड बढ़ती है, इट मीन्स वी हैव टू प्रोड्यूस मोर, प्रोडक्शन भी बढ़ेगी, और जब प्रोडक्शन बढ़ेगी लेबर विल गेट वर्क. लेबर यहाँ पे मतलब लेबर डज नॉट मीन लेबर, लेबर मीन्स वर्किंग पॉपुलेशन. आइदर he or she may be officer, then they belongs to middle level management or they belongs to lower level management workers, but many individuals are getting job when production increases. जब प्रोडक्शन बढ़ेगा तो ऑब्वियसली कंपनी अपना एक्सपेंड करती है, कंपनी एक्सपेंड्स, दे आर सेटिंग डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस, different production center in different states and various individuals are getting job. Beside this, जो पॉइंट मैंने बताया आपको कि इन एडवर्टीजमेंट ऐड करने के लिए एक प्रॉपर स्क्रिप्ट लिखा जाता है, एक शॉर्ट मतलब एक काइंड ऑफ 2 मिनट्स और 1 मिनट की एक स्टोरी टाइप बनाई जाती है इन ऑर्डर टू प्रमोट दैट प्रोडक्ट. तो उसमें एक स्क्रिप्ट राइटर, उसमें कैमरामैन जो इंडस्ट्रीज में काम करते हैं, एक्टर्स, इंडिविजुअल्स जो भी जॉब करना चाहते हैं, एक्टिंग करना चाहते हैं, दे आर गेटिंग जॉब्स. Apart from this, people employed in the field of advertising like copywriters, advertising distributors, film makers, etc., they are also getting work. Means advertisement creates or generates employment opportunities. And fifth one is betterment of standard of living. Once again, we all know that majority of populations are, especially we are talking about India, are unaware about the various products which are introduced in the market. But through advertisement, they are familiar, they are aware about the importance, about the benefit, about the advantages, about the utility of such product in their life. And they start to use such products in order to raise their standard of living. For example, RO advertisement is coming for Kent, K-E-N-T, Kent RO plant. So earlier, individuals are using tap water, but when they have seen advertisement about Kent RO plant, they also want to drink pure water. They also want pure water. For this purpose, when they have seen advertisement again and again, once it comes in their mind that we should purchase Kent RO plant in order to have a pure drinking water, in order to have pure drinking water. As a result, their standard of living increases. So there are various products in the market. By purchasing such product, individuals are trying to increase or raise their standard of living, and it becomes possible only through advertisement. So we can say these are the advantages. Advantages or merits. So these are the merits, advantages, we can say functions of advertisement or role of advertisement. बेनिफिट्स ऑफ क्रिएट्स डिमांड्स. ऐड आने से मार्केट में, टीवी में, रेडियो में, न्यूज़ पेपर में ऐड आने से उस प्रोडक्ट को लोग ऑटोमेटिकली इट क्रिएट्स डिमांड. अगर लॉन्च हो रहा है कोई प्रोडक्ट ऐड के थ्रू, हम देख रहे हैं उस प्रोडक्ट को बार बार, तो कभी ना कभी या बहुत सारे कंज्यूमर्स उसको ट्राई करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट जो है कैसा है, हमारे लिए अच्छा है या बुरा है, उसको यूज़ करने की कोशिश करते हैं. एंड व्हेन दे बिकम एक्चुअल कस्टमर, इट इंक्रीजेज द डिमांड. बेनिफिट्स ऑफ लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन. जब डिमांड बढ़ेगी, दिस पॉइंट इज रिलेटेड विथ फर्स्ट पॉइंट. व्हेन डिमांड इंक्रीजेस, देन व्हाट हैपेंस? ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन डिमांड, प्रोडक्शन ऑल्सो increases. So company has to produce such products in large quantity. Means advertisement creates demands, increases demands. As a result, production also increases. Product awareness. It gives information about the product, how to use, in what manner it should be used, what is the advantages of such products in their life, in the life of individual. Such type of information they are giving to individuals about the product. Helpful in employment generation. When demand increases, production also increases. When production increases, many individuals are getting job. Business unit has to expand their business. When demand increases, they need to expand their business. They need to set up their branches in different states, in different cities. As a result, employment opportunities increases. Betterment of standard of living, no doubt, through advertisement, companies are trying to, or in simple language, they are providing information about the product, its usefulness in their life. And when consumers are purchasing such products, it increases the standard of living of an individual. So these are the advantages, functions, or role of advertisement. Now next topic is limitations or objections of advertisement. Objections or limitations of advertisement. Total 9 points are given. Take any 6 points. First, due to advertisement, consumers are sometimes due to advertisement sometimes consumers are purchasing such things or such product which are not necessary for them. Sometimes product which is no useful, which is not important in our life, but through advertisement we are carried away by advertisement and we are purchasing such products which are not, means unessential goods we are purchasing due to advertisement. Second, advertisement is an expensive activity which increases the price of the product. Third important point, in order to attract consumers various companies are portraying in order to attract consumers. In simple language I am writing, sometimes inferior advertisements are used. Inferior advertisement means the advertisement of low quality. They are showing about the product, they are showing their products through low quality of advertisement only in order to attract consumers. Fourth, is goods of substandard means low quality. Substandard quality is also being sold by creating attractive advertisement. So many times, not sometimes, many times low quality goods are also being sold in the market easily by creating attractive advertisement in TV or radio or in newspaper or in magazine. Fifth one is advertisement in most cases are exaggerated which leads to cheating with the consumer. Means they are showing about the product, they are showing such features about the product which has, means in actual life that feature has no relation with the product. They are showing such type of features, such type of functions regarding product. In actual life it has no relation with that product. It means by showing such type of exaggerated advertisement they are cheating with the consumers. Means they are showing something else about the product, but product is something else. They are showing the features something else. It means they are showing something exaggerated, means बढ़ा चढ़ा के दिखाना प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, प्रोडक्ट किसी और काम के लिए बट बढ़ा चढ़ा के उसको दिखाते हैं, कुछ और यूज़, उसका कुछ और यूज़ दिखाते हैं. तो इन दिस वे दे आर चीटिंग विद द कंज्यूमर्स. एंड सिक्स्थ, सिंपल पॉइंट, एडवर्टीजमेंट increases the unnecessary expenditure of the individual. So how it increases the unnecessary expenditure of the individual? First point, due to advertisement, sometimes consumers are carried away. Carried away means advertisement has great influence in the mind of consumers. बहुत सारी वस्तुओं को हम खरीदते नहीं हैं, लेकिन टीवी में बार बार उन एड्स को देख के वी आर मोटिवेटेड, वी आर एनकरेज टू परचेज दोज गुड्स विच आर नॉट एसेंशियल. वो हमारे लिए इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, बट ऐड देख देख के हम क्या करते हैं, उस प्रोडक्ट को हम परचेज करते हैं. एज अ रिजल्ट अननेसेसरी एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल इंक्रीजेस. These are the limitations or disadvantage of advertisement. Due to advertisement, sometimes consumers are purchasing such products which are not necessary for them, which are not essential in their life. But then also they are purchasing such products only due to advertisement, because they are carried away. बहक जाते हैं वो. They are carried away by advertisement. Advertisement is an expensive activity because lots of expenditure incurred on expenditure. They need to pay amount to the celebrity, cameraman, technician, script writer. So it becomes an expensive activity, and as a result what happens? Ultimately it increases the price of the product. In order to attract consumers, sometimes inferior, low quality advertisements are used by the company or advertiser. Fourth point is goods of substandard quality, means low quality goods are being sold in the market very easily by creating attractive advertisement. And next, advertisement in most cases are exaggerated, means ज़्यादातर जो ऐड होते हैं वो वस्तुओं के बारे में, जो भी जिस प्रोडक्ट का भी ऐड कर रहे हैं उसको बढ़ा चढ़ा के दिखाते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा उसके फीचर्स दिखाते हैं जो होते नहीं है उसके एक्चुअल में, और it means it is a kind of cheating with the consumer. And last point is related with first point, that advertisement increases the unnecessary expenditure of the individual. So this topic is completed.